How to buy Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Amazon Prime Video, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open your Safari browser and go to primevideo.com. I will also make sure to drop a link below. Now all you have to do is just tap on start your free trial option that you can find here. As you tap on start your free trial option, first of all make sure to go ahead and log into your Amazon account, and once you basically go and log into your Amazon account, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then be taken to the page where you can simply enter your payment details, and once you enter your payment details you'll be able to successfully get the Prime Video. This way you'll be able to basically get Amazon Prime Video or buy Prime Video. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.